Hello. In this video, I'm going to repair this television. The customer just brought in the TV. This is the RT TV, Samsung brand, 21 inch. Now you can see the screen of this television has the problem. There are many horizontal stripes on the TV screen. In this case, first you have to check the voltage of 180 volts to supply on the CRT board. For this television, there is one IC on the CRT board to amplify the signal and then create the images on the screen of television. Now, first you have to check the voltage of 180 volts to supply for CRT board, to supply for IC on CRT board. Now, let's start. I plug in the power to try. First, you have to check the voltage 180 volts to supply for the CRT board, to supply for the IC on the CRT board. The voltage 180 volts from here, from one pin of the flyback transformer connected with the resistor and rectified by this diode. Oh, no voltage here. No voltage of 180 volts. There is no voltage here. You have to check the diode and this resistor. You have to measure the AC voltage from one pin of flyback transformer. The AC voltage here and connected with the resistor. Oh, this resistor has broken. This resistor has broken. We can use a small wire to connect and solder this resistor to test. This resistor has broken. I unplug to try. We can use a small wire to connect and solder it. You can use a small wire to connect and solder it. This resistor has broken. I plug in the power to try. Oh, smoke! There is smoke rising. We confirm that this IC has broken. This IC has broken. We have to replace another IC. The smoke rising. This IC to receive the voltage of 180 volts to amplify the color signal to create the images for the screen of a television. This IC has broken. We have to replace another IC. We have to replace another IC. I plug in the power to try. Now I measure the voltage 180 volts. Now the voltage here is good. The voltage here nearly 200 volts. Now, the screen of this television is good. The image of this television is good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.